disable satellites or disable portions of time of the observation of the satellite, and do this through the session editor. You'll notice the session editor is grayed out. You have to pick a baseline, and when you pick that baseline, you'll be able to select it. It's on the survey tab. You can pick the command from here, or you can simply right click and choose session editor. In the session editor, you're able to come in and right click on a satellite and disable it, as well as come down and disable portions of the satellite. So like here with these broken lines, I can come in and remove that section, and I'm just left clicking and dragging my cursor across the site. You can see if you do it and you want to remove it, you just right click. So you can see that you can grab a bunch, right click, remove, a lot of different options, but this allows you to edit the session and then reprocess your baselines.